Let's move on. Awkward car drive. This is coming from Mr. Milk. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. These songs are getting shorter and shorter and shorter.
$359 $uicideboy $. Figured out the way to make these dollars mine. Picked up 2 from Dallas, 1 from Phoenix, 2 from the Bay. Got them signs, so them out to get paid.
See, dude, like this is just fucking enjoyable as hell, man.
I'm trying to harm me, stick with the blade. Tired of picking bullets, I must bump below the shit and let it bang. Shout out my motherfucking army, shout out my commando matching scars. 3 6s in my heart, squeeze bliss out of my heart. Until I see these living brothers thinking that they hard. No one talking about Percocet, but I'm still here on Percocet. Y'all heard of us yet? Them 2 white fucks from either side of the river. Y'all keep my name in your mouth when you think you're being different.
13 hours Thailand, need me more than half a zag. Great gorilla, out the fuck cool. Finna pull up to zoo. Who the fuck is you? Matter of fact.
Yeah, compared to the other songs off this album, this is definitely the more chiller type of shit.
Fuck you, homie.
But still good. Chiller, but still they still have their toxic shit in there.
Time's up, caught a bad luck. Gotta have a few share time, few share mine. Got my ass whooped, got my ass stomped. And back in those days, couldn't.
Oh, it's not? Oh, shit.
Chill with Dana in the motherfucking ears. Every time I hit Cali, where the fuck you drove? Looks to see the homie and I'm feeling real low.
There it is, there it is, there it is. Boom. The dramatic fucking twist. The dramatic fucking twist. Germ has a death wish. Okay. Dude, listening to all these features, it just makes me want to see more of what they have for their own shit. Cause I don't know, like Germ, he's definitely on my radar now.